Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Nourish Muslima. Today I wanted to quickly share with you a very beautiful recipe, and I know that when I share with you, if you have never tried it before, inshallah it's gonna be your favorite as well. It is especially delicious for younger folks as well. It is as easy as it can be, and also a very easy way to hydrate during the hot summer months. And when it's Ramadan, like we know Ramadan is almost here, it is such a wonderful way to hydrate yourself. A watermelon refresher. It is basically watermelon and mint, herbs and ginger and some lemon. The lemon helps to keep the juice longer for more than 3 to 4 days, as well as the ginger. The mint also gives it a bit of nutrient boost from the herb and the flavor as well. It is as easy as that. We're gonna just cut the watermelon. I'm gonna add in some ginger, some dried ginger. I'm gonna add some mint. Put the lemon in and squeeze the lemon. Add a splash of zamzam. This is zamzam. I'm gonna add into it. Bismillah. Coconut water. Add some water. So blend. Go ahead and blend. I forgot to add some dates, so I'm gonna add some dates in. I'm gonna add it in and then blend. This is yummy as you can have it. Look at it, very bright, very appetizing, and it's calling my name. Make sure you make it if you have watermelon today or tomorrow for iftar. This is very delicious. It's very cooling and hydrating. I'm gonna toss it in the fridge, and I have myself something for the next 3 days, inshallah. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to share to other mama friends and subscribe, as a subscription is really helpful. I'm grateful for every subscription. You are all always appreciated. Until next time, stay well and be well. Assalamu alaikum.